So simply what we need to do, we need to go to the search engine over here and search over here Mongo shell. Okay, using by this Mongo shell, we are writing a MongoDB commands. Okay, so let me click over here Mongo shell. Okay, right now see your Mongo shell is going to be open, isn't it? Right now, before you are starting your MongoDB server is already started. Just we need to be a right to the path. Okay, so which path? Just write over here MongoDB. Check it over here. What we need to be right? MongoDB. After that colon, then again your backward slash, or I think so forward slash, right? Then after localhost, always you need to write a 27017. This is the local host for your. This is the port for your MongoDB purpose. If you are writing another port, it will be not work. We need to write only MongoDB localhost 27017 only. Use enter button. Right now see MongoDB is run perfectly, isn't it? After later test MongoDB. Right now what happened, we will see that which one is the by default database you have inside of your MongoDB. Okay, by default data, which kind of database we have. Okay, database means what? In the one database you have a lot of documents. Are you getting? Okay, means in previous wise, if you can see like a MySQL type, you have to the lot of data, or we can say lot of databases, right? Inside of the one database you have a lot of tables are there, right? Same as it is over here, you have to the one database. Inside of the one database, lot of documents you have. Are you understand that? Okay, so right now for you can see, you can follow the documents also. Show all databases. See to see all the available database in your terminal, type what? Show DBs. DBs means what? Databases. Okay, so you need to write over here show DBs. Okay, hit enter button. See, you have this a by default database like a admin, configure, local. Okay, so I saw that all databases. Apart from that, in your syllabus they discuss about to the data types also, because data types also the very important concept. MongoDB store a data into the bson, or we can say bson, or we can say as a binary JSON format. Each field that is called, we call as a key in document, has a specific data type, right? Like suppose I have to the data that is called string. Store a text data into the like this. Are you getting or not? Okay, whenever I want to be store the characteristics, I will be used to the string, and it will be always in the parenthesis, or we can say a parenthesis, not, it is always in the quotes. Are you getting? Next one is what? Integer means what? It's like your this one, isn't it? But as a age I want to put again inside of the quotes only. Again, then double means what? Whenever you want to be used to the decimal, right? We are using like this way. Check that where we are using quotes, where we are not using quotes. That is really important. People are getting problem because they are not using a proper syntax. Okay, then after boolean you can use directly without any quotation. Okay, then array is always you need to be a put to the square bracket, and then after whatever the value you have, you need to put it a different way. Okay, then after object embedded means, that is your JSON format. How? Address. After that, see over here, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Okay, then after null you can write directly. Date you need to be used like this, ISO date after this one, and always date is see again inside of your quotes. Okay, then after object ID, see object ID means every whenever you are creating your any kind of data, always it will be creating to the a unique ID, and by default it is in the it is the jubli jabla jubla, means we cannot able to predict that in that format. Every ID means whenever you are creating any data types, anything or any particular entry inside of the data, every entry having their own unique ID. Okay, after that binary data means if you want to be a like that, you can put that. Okay, regular, there are different types of data, you can do that and check that. Okay, apart from that, using a MongoDB shell, means you need to use to the MongoDB shell. The MongoDB shell, Mongo sh we call as, okay, is to the command line tool used to interact with the MongoDB database. Okay, using my MongoDB shell, we can able to connect with that MongoDB. Okay, means you can able to write the query inside of that, and you can able to see the performance. You can use it a create database, insert data, query, update, delete your document, create or switch database used to this command. Right now what we are doing, we are creating another database. So whenever you need to be a create a database, we do not need to write a create database, we need to just use what, we need to use school. Okay, so let me show you over here. Right now I have only the three different databases present. I am doing that what, use, I want to use suppose school. See, school one I don't have the available, right? If you want to be a create another database, we need to write a use as a suppose what they're saying. Okay, directly use school. Okay, so this is 1 second. Use school. Use school. Okay, then after enter button, see, switch to DB as a school. Right now my database is what, school. If you want to check also, show DBs. Okay, use that show DBs, enter button. How many database I have right now? 1 2 3 4. So database is created properly. Okay, and right now I already said that I am using school, isn't it? So where I am right now, I am already inside of my school database. Right now they are saying okay, you are inside of the school. Now after that, see over here what we are doing, create a collection. A collection, it's like a table wise. Okay, but it is not a table, it is the document we are creating, that is in the JSON format, right? So DB create collection, that is called student. So what we are doing right now, inside of, you can see inside of your school, we are creating one document. Okay, are you getting? That is the document is what, check it over here, that is called DB, isn't it? What we need to write, DB create, then after what, collection, right? Collection. Okay, and what collection you need to make, I want to make a collection using by, means I want to make a collection that is called, I have to be a student. Okay, 1 second, where is the insert button is present, because okay, left. Okay, so over here we have as a student one document. Okay, students. Now hit enter button, see what they are saying as a message, okay one. Are you getting? Okay means what, right now I created inside of a one student as a one document. Okay, then after that what happened, show DBs again, what, show DBs all. So you can write again back over here, I want to be show all DBs. You can see right now I have to the 1 2 3 4 DBs are present. Okay, apart from that I want to be see all connection, so I will be right over here show collection, isn't it? So right over here show collection. Okay, enter button, see how many collections I have inside of the over here, check it one by one. Okay, in the over here admin configure local. Okay, over here you can see what they're saying, MongoDB invalid input correction, a collection. Okay, I think so spelling is wrong, so I will be do one thing, let me go over here again back, show collections, not collection. Okay, collections. Are you getting? Yes. Enter button. See, right now they are showing collections. Still, see what is the collection I have? Students only, isn't it? Now, after that one, let's do that lot of things like a MongoDB create a data. create a database. You already know how to create the database, isn't it? Okay, so we are not creating that. Now create